This is Nokia C12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can switch your SIM card preferences on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then find and enter Network and Internet category. Next, open the Calls and SMS, and in here you can set the preferred SIM card that you would like to use for the incoming phone calls. In here you can send the SIM card you prefer to use for sending SMS messages, and if you would like to switch your mobile or cellular data preferences, go for SIMs. Then open the SIM cards page that you would like to set as your preferred choice for using the mobile data. And toggle on the mobile data switch. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.